Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany Raquel Williams. I know you have been waiting for so long for a new update, for a new video, for consistency. You're like, what's going on with Audio? What's going on? And this video is a bittersweet one, but it's an awesome announcement because it's the beginning of a new journey here on my channel. It's the beginning of a journey for me in my personal life. And I decided, you know what? Let me do this, let me share it with you, right? But first, let me take you back to 2012 when I started this YouTube channel. I was inspired by looking at all the videos of the persons being their authentic self. Hobbyists, because you know, if you were in school in my time, what YouTube was usually for is to get answers to your maths problem and that kind of thing. And then when I discovered YouTube, when I started university, I realized people on there doing hair, showing their DIY stuff, just being their authentic self and sharing whatever it is that they are doing. So I decided to start, and I started with the idea, you know, maybe I could share with them my hair journey and that kind of thing, you know. And as time went on, I realized I just didn't find my niche because I was not able to be authentically me. I don't know if you understand. YouTube just became a place of, I don't even know how to explain it, but it didn't feel as though people were allowed to be authentically themselves just so. Everything was about how it's edited, how it looks, the perfection, having a team behind you doing your video editing and all of that for you. And it kind of could be overwhelming. So you know what I did? I actually got behind the scenes, started managing people's social media and had fun over there, and started a business called Blasted Tech, right? And I kind of take a back seat with my own content creation and that kind of thing, because I really wanted to create content with purpose and content that is authentically me, right? So the out with the old will be literally out with CupcakeDelect as the brand. Yes, overs that as Trinbagonians would say. I no longer want to share stuff that is really not my real day-to-day thing. Like, I don't be combing hair every day or putting on makeup every day, so that's not what I want to share. That literally is not even what I'm passionate about and what I believe is my purpose, right? So fast forward to today, I have to share with you that I will be rebranding everything, and it would simply be Tiffany Raquel Williams. That's just me. That's my name. That is what my brand will be, me authentically, and I will be sharing content on faith and finance. So Tiffany Raquel Williams, faith and finance. That just sums up me in its entirety. Because I believe that my purpose is literally to fulfill God's will. So I have to share with earnest joy my journey in doing so, in strengthening my faith, in sharing, so that I can look back and actually continue to see my growth and development and share with you, basically. And so I'll be doing faith-based content. And then if you know me, you know that I would have enjoyed doing business and accounting in high school, and then I decided to do a degree in accounting, and now I work in the finance industry. And I've actually worked in the finance industry over the past few years, right? Yeah, over the past few years. And my passion is literally to share information on financial literacy, personal financial literacy, because you know, when you work in the finance industry, it's usually on the business side of things, helping small businesses to grow their finances, to get funding, that kind of thing. And then I realized the real problem is our personal financial literacy. Actually, the start of that journey came when I was in sixth form, and our school, Signal Hill Comprehensive at the time, which is now Signal Hill High School, I think. At the time, we would have entered the National Financial Literacy Program. And we won. We had to go down to Central Bank in Trinidad. I don't know if you guys remember that, Rowena and Xavier. We would have gone down to Trinidad, we mashed up the place. Yes, we won, we came first, and they would have given us as a prize Rich Dad Poor Dad for teens, and then all the content that we had to learn in order to win the financial literacy competition actually always stayed with me. And I realized, you know what, I need to start sharing these things because this is part of my passion. So I'm passionate about sharing my faith and sharing finance. And that is literally my daily life. Literally what I do on a daily basis. Alright? So my full time is I'm actually working at a small accounting firm. Actually, it just started and it's awesome. In Tobago. And my side hustle is social media management and content creation for small businesses, and that's over at Blasted Tech, right? And what keeps me going is my relationship that I have with God. So I really can't wait to just continue making videos for you guys. I will be uploading every Thursday. Every Thursday you will get a new video, and it will be a nice surprise, whether it's a faith-based video or a financial literacy video, or maybe both mixed, because you know that could actually happen. Yeah. So I am glad to be making this announcement. Stay tuned. By the time this video goes up, every single CupcakeDelect present will be changed over to Tiffany Raquel Williams. My handle will be at Tiffany Raquel Williams. My branding colors and everything will just be revived. So I really do hope that you enjoy the journey that we're gonna share together, and I really do hope that you continue to be your authentic self, just as how I have decided, you know what, this is what I want to share online. Continue to be your authentic self. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. Yes, 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 we good.